Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at a wicked cool 1969 Chevrolet Camaro True SS car, guys. This is not a clone. This is not a car. If you've watched my videos before, I'll tell you on, a lot of these Chevelles and Camaros, you can't guarantee them to be a super sport. This one we can. This one has a Protecto plate, which you can document everything on this car. It also has the X55 for the Super Sport 350 on the trim tag, along with the D80, which is the air spoiler equipment. Very cool car. Nice little history behind this car, guys. The car was bought brand new at Vans Chevrolet in Missouri. Spent most of its life in Arizona and Mesa. I think it's Mesa, Arizona. Really cool car. It's again, it is a real super sport. That's all documented. It has a complete numbers matching drivetrain in it. Factory 4-speed car with air, and the thing that I thought was just super cool, factory ivory houndstooth interior. Again, you can document all that stuff. The only thing that's not correct for this car is a change to color to Cortez Silver. This was the original Fathom Green car, but pretty color combination. Very cool car. I will tell you one thing, this thing runs and drives excellent. You can nitpick the paint there. You're going to see some little touch-up marks. I believe, and again, I'm digging through this thing just as much history as I can. I believe this car was painted in the early 90s. I think this car was originally restored in the late 80s, early 90s. And then in 2018, it looks like it got a complete mechanical restoration. Another cool thing, again, this car checks a lot of boxes, guys. It's got the ZL2 optional functional cowl hood. So most of these cowl hoods don't do anything. They just look cool. This one's functional. It works. Very cool car. Like I say, hits the road good. Fun car to drive, 4-speed. Again, I'm not trying to pick the car apart, but I know a lot of guys, well, 90% of our customers we don't even meet. We ship them across the internet. So I just try to, let you see what you're getting. Vinyl top was replaced. I didn't see where they changed any panels on this car, guys. Didn't look like they had really changed anything body panel wise. It's all soft ray glass except for the front windshield was changed, which in Arizona, if you ever been over there, you know why. They stone peck the heck out of those windshields. Factory spoiler car, so it's got the front and rear spoilers. Chrome and stainless is nice. My guys missed some stuff in here. I haven't cleaned that off. Factory 14-inch rally wheels. Got Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Of course, got the top hats. We didn't really do much to this car, guys. Light detail. I didn't want my guys messing with this a lot. I think this is just a good, honest car, and it's a cool car. See that? Just water spots, guys. Nice driver. I will tell you, man, I just ran this thing down the road. The car hits the road great. Factory front disc brakes, power front disc brakes. Stops good, shifts out good. Again, you can, this is, again, we got the Protecto plate so we can document all this. The only thing I can't 100% tell you is, I can only see a 6 and a 9 on the stamping down by the oil filter. Anybody know, you can look them up, you'll find them online. When they stamped them down by the oil filter, they're very, very tough to read. Obviously, there's a 6 and a 9 in the VIN, so we know that, you know, there's a partial for sure. But again, it doesn't matter because you can dock everything on the front of it. It's I believe it's an HA code, and it's got the right code and everything. It's on the Protecto plate. Matching numbers, 350, 300 horse engine, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It does have the matching numbers, 4-speed trans. Got a good picture of the VIN on that. Factory air, yes, the air works. Power steering, power front disc brakes. In 2018, there's even a receipt for everything. They went through clutch, pressure plate, pulled the trans out, had it all rebuilt. Good car, man. Like I say, tight, runs down the road good. But the only thing I know the wipers weren't working, and I bet you if we mess with them, they probably just haven't been on in a while. Cool car, man. I think whoever gets this thing, you know, it's a nice straight driver, and but it's real. That's the key. I mean, 99% of the cars that I get like this, I can't guarantee you they're real. This one you can guarantee. It's got all the right docks for it. Chrome mirrors. They've definitely replaced the door handles. There's your door tag. I love the interior. Factory ivory, that's right in the trim tag. Factory ivory deluxe houndstooth interior. Bucket seats, console. It's got the silver shifter ball with a Hurst shifter. It's showing 18,000. Now it looks like in the 80s this car had 88,000, and I'm wondering if in the early 90s they didn't reset that back to 18,000. Dash pad's nice, factory tack and gauges, all the gauges work. Car holds great oil pressure. AM radio does not work. Parking brake works. It has the correct rear end in it. Well, what's the stamping? BT? I think it's BT. 355, limited slip, 12 bolt with the multi-leaf rear suspension. Again, that's all correct. The drivetrain is completely correct for this car. Again, a lot of docks. These are copies of it. I put the originals in the glove box. You can see the original Protecto plate. Car was bought new at Van Chevrolet in Mission, Kansas. This is also the delivery sheet on the car that when it was new. Original owner's manual's in here. And again, here's documentation. There's documentation from the receipts back to the 80s. And then, like I say, in 2018, it looks like it was done again. Clean underneath, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Good car, just a good straight Camaro, guys. Bunch of new stuff coming, man. There's I don't know, 15 of the new cars are in here, so I'll try to get them posted up to the website just as fast as I can between Mother Nature and me traveling and trying to get them, you know, prepped and ready. Gauges are nice and clean. Again, it's got the silver shifter ball, the Hurst shifter, console's nice, wood grain dash, steering wheel's, it looks like it's nice. Yeah, there's no cracks in it. Dash pad's good. That runs excellent. Air works, air blows nice and cold. That's just a good car right there, guys. Shifts out nice and tight. Tack works, no on the clock. See, all the gauges work. Holds great oil pressure. No, I couldn't get that to work. No on the radio, guys. And again, I'll have Steve check the wipers because I couldn't get them to come on. And a lot of times these cars do more sitting and get driven. A lot of times we get in there and just mess with them and they work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Also, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little red button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. I'll tell you another thing about this car. I think it was a wedding gift. There is a napkin in that original paperwork from 1969. I'll bet you this was a wedding gift when it was new. Good looking car, man. I dig it. I think it's cool. And like I say, fun to drive, 4-speed, air, tack gauges. Have a great day, guys.